strong.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Crack Keys. And in this video, this video is a part of HTML series which we have started. The series name is Let's Learn HTML. And I'm Naman Mishra, your host and co-host. So let's work on our code. So as you can see, this code we have studied in the last video. We have learned what is a tag and how to use them and how to close them. But today we are gonna have a close look on some body tags. So our first tag should be our h tags. Like if I will write h1, so it is automatically closing. Then subscribe. Subscribe. Or I should write my name. Okay, and let's write crackies here. Crackies. Then comes to the h21. Here should be subscribe. Not subscribe. Actually, I'm mistakenly writing subscribe today. I will write now one. I think it should be perfect. Yep, that should be perfect. And then comes our h3. So in this I'm gonna write Mishra. Then at the end h4, like h5, subscribe. Then at the end it's 6, which is share. Okay, so now let's refresh it here. As you can see, these are our H tabs. They control this side here. Not just here. These are basically for the heading. These are known as heading tags, and they control the size of headings. Like this is the biggest one, and then this is the second biggest, and it is at this end. I think it should be. Then it is a little smaller than this one. Then this one is a little smaller than this one, and this one is smaller than this one, and this is the smallest one. So like this it is like. So that's all for the heading tag. Now let's move on to our next tag, which should be our paragraph tab. Okay, let us open paragraph tab. And this you can write anything like my name is Naman Mishra. I am today I am teaching you some new tags, like this, and when I will refresh it will be here. You can write it in the infinite time as much as you want. Just write anything over here as much as you want. Okay, and if you want to give it a break here, like hi, my name is Naman Mishra, then I want to give it a break, so we will write br. So that's an exception tag. Here we are not gonna close br, because br is a tag which doesn't require any closing. Okay, so just write br, and when I will refresh it will be breaked. Actually br means line break. Okay, so I think you got that. Okay, so as you can see here, our output and our code. And then let's move on to our very third tab. So which tag should we learn? I am thinking of I think I should teach you now table tag. That's a very important tag in HTML, I think. But I'm thinking now that I should not tell you is this video because you are not ready that now. So I'm a little bit uh, confused. So I'm thinking that I should teach you a font tag through which you can change the font of any what you call this as lines or what. So, okay, so let's write font. So font, and then you have to give it out attribute like color. Of every time write color like as I have written, because that's an exception here. Okay, and is equals to red, then font tag closed. Now let us pick it up, Control X, then enter, Control V. Okay, so now all text should be red. Oh yeah, I'm right, I've done it correct. And if you want to increase its size, you can write size is equals to 89. Oh, I think it should be already big. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, that's how to work. Oh yeah, I think you are understanding what I'm doing here, huh? And okay, if you want it to give a bold look, I think you should write B. No, I'm not gonna teach you in this video because that's a little bit confusing, and you will confuse it with the other attributes. So when a tag is the tag is only this one, and these are the attributes for it. And whenever we close a tag, we close only tag, we don't close this attribute. Okay, so keep that in mind while you are writing a code. If you want to write it, you can write it. And one more very important and most important thing I forgot to tell you is that like here it is like this. So if you press / and write here, we are telling, here we are getting heading output. So actually it works like okay, it's not working in this what you call it HTML. It doesn't work here, sorry guys, this doesn't work. Otherwise it is a very good thing for us to write comments over our code, because it helps us if we are watching our code after a year or after a month. We always forgot what was there in the code, so we always require something over there which we have to write in that. So that's why I always write comment, but in the HTML you cannot write it. So that's the baddest thing about it. I didn't like it. Okay guys, so I think in today's video the two tags are clear, and it's good to have only these two, and other we will have it another day. Or I can teach you one more tag, I think, if I'm not wrong. It should be BG color. BG color is equals to green. If I'm not wrong, it should work. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, it's working. You can see the background is changed, and if now I write it can, so I think it should be changing to can also. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's changing. I'm right. Okay, and let's insert an image also. Or I think we should try that in the other video, because this video is already a long time. And in the next video we are gonna learn some new tags. In today's video we learned 3 tags, almost not 3, we almost learned 4 tags and 3 attributes. Okay guys, so this is also an attribute, and for inserting an image at the background there is also one attribute. I will tell you in the next class. And there is one more attribute for the PR tag also. So I'll tell you in the next video, so don't forget to watch that video. Till then, take care and bye bye guys. Meet you